Assalamualaikum, hai guys, sama Kia lagi. Hari ini aku akan kasih tahu top 3 of my favorite books. Let's start. First, Daisy Dreamer. This story is about a girl named Daisy. She loves to dream. Every day when breakfast, she always dresses up like a superhero. Then one day at school, she made a drawing. Her drawing was an animal, but a different one. She said that she wasn't really drawing. The pencil was kind of moving by its own. So she made this animal named Posy. Then a bully at the school named Gabby ripped her drawing. But then the next day at school, when she was playing at the playground, Posy became real. And then Posy became her forever friends. But nobody knows about her, only her best friends. Next is an Elephant and Piggy book. I Really Like Slop. This is one of my favorite books. So, the story is about a pig named Piggy. Then she made the soup that is named Slop. Then her best friend, Gerald the elephant, smelled it and he did not really like the smell. Piggy really wanted Gerald to try it, but Gerald didn't really want to try it because there were flies all over it. But Piggy says when there's flies, it means it's right. Then Gerald was convinced from Piggy to try it, but he tried it just a little bit. But when he tried it, it was so spicy and not his taste. I think that's because inside of it there's an old shoe. Then, when Piggy asked Gerald that he really likes slop, he didn't really like slop, but he's glad he tried it. My last favorite book is one of my most biggest books, Miles Kelly First Books. So I have 2 favorites in his books, but there is 4 contents. Fun and Nonsense, Enchanted Lands, All Day Long, and A Wonderful World. My 2 favorites are, first, my favorite is 2 Little Rules. 3 little rules. 3 little rules we all should keep to make life happy and bright. Smile in the morning, smile at noon, and keep on smiling right. Then, my last one, when I like to bring this book at school because all my friends like to read these. Then, for example, I was born at September, and then warm September brings the fruit. Sportsmen then began to shoot. When my friends maybe are born in January, January brings the snow, makes our feet and fingers glow. And I love it when my friends like to read it, and I like to share books too. And that is my top 3 favorite books. I hope you like my 3 favorite books. See you in the next video. Makasih ya sudah nonton video ini. Jangan lupa nonton videonya Kia yang lain. Dan juga jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, and share. Dadah!